This is Bumble's first few seconds on treadmill. And he's doing really well. Good boy. Good job. Come on, dude. Good job. Good job. Very nice. He's going to relax down, and I've got a treat down here, so when he's ready, his nose will get interested again. And he'll relax. And I'm about ready to stop it because he's walking smoothly, calmly. That's what we wanted. Okay, come on. Signing out, Allie's Puppy Boot Camp. Good job, Bumble.